So we have x is less than -6. Now this is a one variable because all it's saying is x is less than -6. So on the x-axis, we are going to click on -6, and we're going to draw a horizontal line because it's saying x is less than -6. Now if it was y, then it would be horizontal, not vertical, okay? Now, when we have less than or greater than, our line is going to be dotted. When we have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, we're going to have a solid line. So notice that this line will be dotted because it is less than, okay? Now, less than. Which values are less than -6? Would it be to the left or to the right? Well, since it's less than, we are going to move to the left. X is greater than 5, so we would click on the value of 5, and we would draw our line, and it would be dotted because it is not equal to, and x is greater than, so greater than we think to the right. Okay, now this is two variable. So now our equation is kind of in y equals mx plus b form. There is no b, so we're going to start at 0. So we'd start at 0 on the line on the graph, and our slope is -4. So that means that we would go down 4. So we go down 4 and to the right 1. Okay? And it is solid because it is equal to, and it's saying y is greater. So when you think greater, like looking at this line, oops, let me draw my dot again. Solid. Looking at this line, okay? If we are going up the line, it would go this way. Going up this line. We're going to go below the line, it's this way. So that's down, and that's up. So we would shade up because it is greater. Okay? So this one, y equals mx plus b form, so the plus 0. We start at 0 on the graph, and we go down 5 over 1. Oops. Down 5 over 1, solid, and y is less. So if y is less, we're going to go down the line. So looking at this graph, this is down. That's up. Okay? Now, if you're not a visual person and you need to make sure that that's correct, what you can do is you can put a value in for x. For example, let's put the value of 1 for x, okay? So if I put, or let me put a value of, okay, let's see, 2, 2, 0. So let's say our point 2, 0. This is right here. This is 2, this point right here is 2, 0. Right there. That's the point for 2, 0. Okay? So this point should not be shaded. So we have y, so y is 0, okay, is less than or equal to -5 times 2. Okay, -5 times 2 is -10, and 0 is less than -10. Is that true? No, that is not true. Therefore, this should not be shaded. Is it shaded? No. So therefore, we shaded correctly. Okay? This inequality starts at -1. Okay? And we're going to go down 4 over 1. And it's going to be dotted because it is not equal to, and y is less than. And so I'm going to pick a point on the graph. Let's pick 0, 0. That's an easy point to pick. Okay? So we got 0, 0. 0 is less than -4 times 0 minus 1. -4 times 0 is 0, so -1. Okay, so 0 is less than -1. Is that true? No, 0 is actually greater than -1. So 0, 0 should not be shaded, therefore this region will be shaded. Okay, and also if you look at the graph, this is going down. So y is less than, this is going up, okay? So you can try either method for these questions. And that is all for today. Have a good rest of your day. Make sure you guys score up to a 70%. And if you were not present in class today, please just send me an email explaining why you were not present. You guys are only allowed to miss 1 day of class. So if you miss more than 1 day of class, then you will not be able to pass this program. So make sure you guys are attending every class and making sure you're getting your work done. Okay, well, have a good day. Bye-bye.